Hey everybody, this is Brice with Central Florida Dent Repair back again. Does paintless dent repair actually work? Believe it or not, that's a question I get asked many times in the field, and I'm going to answer that question for you right here, right now. Watch this repair go down and you make the call. Alright, 2017 Toyota RAV4. Really nasty dent on that right rear quarter panel. The edge is completely pushed in, as you can see. We're going to repair this without painting, and starting the process off with some glue pulling, we call it, and that's all done from the outside. We're actually manipulating the metal from both the outside and inside. And to get to the back side of the dent, I removed the rear bumper cover, and there's some nice access holes where we can insert a stainless steel rod to get to the back side to kind of push the dents out. And you can see the dent kind of being manipulated still, kind of slowly going away. And I want you to keep an eye on this repair. Actually, watch the area there that's being worked on. You can see the buildings in the background. The reflections kind of come together and are more apparent as the repair progresses. And you're probably wondering what this hammer and punch looking thing is I'm holding throughout the repair. That's actually what we are calling a hammer and knockdown in the industry, where we're essentially just kind of manipulating the metal from the outside, but just kind of sending shock waves through the metal to get it to lay in its natural position again. So that's all we're doing, just causing vibrations, and the metal just has a tendency to just want to go back to where it naturally came from. I also get a lot of questions about the actual cost of a dent repair. What will this particular repair cost? Well, this customer went to the body shop, got a couple quotes, and decided on paintless dent repair, not because of the cost savings. This repair actually was a little bit more, believe it or not, than what the body shop wanted. We use an industry standard pricing guide, where essentially we're using size and additional factors to establish the final cost of a dent repair like this. This particular dent was a little bit more complex. Many factors involved here, which kind of shot the price up quite a bit, but the customer was able to look past all that, realize the true value and the many benefits that PDR, or paintless dent repair, brings to the table, and decided to move forward. This customer did not have to bring this vehicle anywhere. We did not alter this vehicle in any way, provided a much higher quality repair throughout. You can see there's a couple little scuff marks there from the initial impact, but we're going to buff those right out, and this thing is going to be good as new. But pretty much anytime there's an impact that severe, there's usually going to be some remnants of like a transfer mark or a scuff, which needs to be polished out in the end. For the most part, they can be polished. In some cases, they do go through the paint, but if you don't have to paint a vehicle, this by all means is the best solution, just to have it removed with paintless dent removal and then buffed out. You can see the end result here. Looks great. Had a very happy customer in the end, knowing that they kept this vehicle in its original state. Practically a brand new vehicle. If you have any general questions about the paintless dent removal method, or you want to find out if your vehicle is a good candidate for this process, feel free to reach out at 386-216-5185, or you can log on to cfldentrepair.com. Thanks for watching.